Hello there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you step by step on how to change Samsung emoji to iPhone emoji in 2025. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Check your Android version. Start by making sure your Samsung phone is running the latest Android version. Go to Settings, About Phone, Software Information to confirm. Step 2. Enable unknown sources. To install custom files, you need to enable app installations from unknown sources. Open Settings. Tab Apps, Special Access, Install unknown apps. Enable this for the browser or file manager you will use. Step 3. Download the iPhone emoji font. Open your browser and search for a reliable iPhone emoji font file. Example, iOS emojis for Android. Download the file to your device. Step 4. Install a font installer app. Go to the Google Play Store and download a trusted font installer app, such as Z Font 3. Open the app and grant all necessary permissions. Step 5. Apply the iPhone emoji font. Launch the font installer app and locate the downloaded iPhone emoji font. Select the font and follow the app's instructions to install it. On some devices, you might need to apply the font through Settings, Display, Font Style. Step 6. Restart your phone. Once the font is applied, restart your device to ensure the changes take effect. Step 7. Test your new emojis. Open your keyboard or messaging app to test the new iPhone emojis. Enjoy the updated look on your Samsung device. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!